Hi students, in this class we are going to see examples on the coefficient of viscosity. We have, the formula F is equal to mu dV by dy. So this is one force that is actually acting on the backward direction. If the body is trying to, if liquid layers are, these are the liquid layers as we discussed, say these are the liquid layers. If liquid layer is moving the forward direction, force will act in the backward direction, understand? So now let's solve these questions. The minus sign will be there, but minus sign, just instead of minus we can consider magnitude also. Okay, let's see. The plate area of 100 centimeter square is placed on the upper surface of castor oil. Okay, a 2 millimeter thick, taking coefficient of viscosity to be 15.5 poise. It's given in which unit? CGS unit, convert into SI. Okay, now calculate the horizontal force necessary to move the plate with a velocity of 3 meter per second. So let's draw the diagram. And this is a plate, and below it there is 2 millimeter thickness. And if they don't mention anything about the bottommost surface, assume its velocity is 0. Okay, and yeah, next what he is saying, 2 millimeter thickness is given. Area A is equal to 100 centimeter square. Mu A, I forgot the mu A dV by dy, and the velocity, so mu also given, mu is equal to 15.5 poise. Calculate the horizontal force necessary to velocity. Upper layer velocity V is equal to 3 centimeter per second. So it is moving with a constant velocity. If the constant velocity is given, the net force should be equal to 0. Now I am assuming the liquid layer as a block. Somebody external force is applying in the back forward direction. What force will act in the backward direction? Because the force due to viscosity. Okay, so F external must be equal to viscous forces, because acceleration is equal to 0. What is the viscous force? Mu A dV by dy. Mu is equal to how much? 15.5 poise, and it is equal to 1.55 Pascal second into area 100 centimeter square, or else everything is in centimeters. Convert everything in centimeters, or 100 into 10 power minus 4. I am converting into meters. Why to take unnecessary headache? And dV is equal to 3 centimeter per second. So 3 into 10 power minus 2. Final upper velocity is V3 and the lower velocity is 0 meter per second. 3 minus 0 by, what is the distance? 2 millimeter. 2 into 10 power minus 3. So this is the force, external force required to move the block, to move the plate, necessary to move the plate. Next question. See this question carefully. A metal plate of area is given 0.1 meter square. Metal plate area is given, connected to 0.01 kg. Okay, the mass is given. Okay, mass via string that passes or ideal pulley, considered to be frictionless and massless, as shown in the figure. Now this is the figure. A liquid with a film thickness 3 millimeter. So this is the film. Let's magnify this. This is the film. Its thickness is how much? 3 millimeter. Is placed between the plates and at the table. This is the table, bottommost portion, and above is plate. Okay. When released, the plate moves to the right with a constant speed. The velocity it is moving towards the right in this direction with a velocity of 0.085 meter per second. Find the coefficient of viscosity of the liquid. Okay. Now what is given? Pulley, the rope is connected to plate. So let's draw free body diagram for each body. So I am writing free body diagram for film. Free body diagram if I draw. So what is connected here? The tension is here. So towards the right there will be tension, and viscous force will act in the backward direction. Viscous force is equal to mu A dv by dy. And next come to the block. What is the mass? 0.01 kg. So there is a force M is equal to 0.01 kg, mg acting in downward direction, tension acting in the upward direction. So he is asking us to find coefficient of viscosity. Nu he is asking us to find. So what will be as a velocity is constant, acceleration is equal to 0. So T is equal to mg. If T is equal to mg from this expression, let's substitute here mu a dv by dy is equal to mg. Mu, that's we don't know, mu is equal to m is 0.01 into g is 10 by area is given as 0.1 meter square, 0.1 into dv. What is the velocity? Upper velocity is 0.085 minus lower part velocity is 0 by and position. What is the distance? 3 millimeter. 3 into 10 power minus 3. So if you solve this, if you simplify, you will get answer in Pascal second. Okay, so let's go to the other question. So listen this one attentively. A sliding fit cylindrical body of mass 1 kg drops vertically downwards. Vertically downwards at a constant velocity of 5 centimeter per second. Find the viscosity of oil. Whenever you see this kind of questions, our target is not the block, our target is liquid. So let's see oil, whatever liquid is given, oil is given. Now if you see carefully, 14.9 and 15, whatever body is moving with velocity, I discussed in the first video. If the body is moving with certain velocity, immediate liquid layer which is immediately after the object will have the same velocity. I am writing beaker and next body. Okay, see here carefully. One surface is beaker, another surface is the next magnifying. See, this is first surface, and this is a second surface that I am going to draw now. This is the first surface and it is second surface. Now how much velocity the second surface is going? It's going downwards with the constant velocity of 5 centimeters per second. If the next layer is moved, see this is the entire block. If it is going downwards with the 5 centimeters per second downward direction, the liquid layer which is immediately after it will also have the same velocity. Instead of this block, I am drawing liquid layer. Okay, liquid layer is going downwards with 5 centimeters per second. And what is the velocity when the attached to beaker? Velocity is equal to 0. How much is the thickness? So thickness calculation is very important. So both the sides equally distributed. If we distributed both the sides equally, so 15 minus 0.9, 14.9, 0.1 centimeter is the gap. This 0.1 centimeter also divided equally. How much part it will have? 0.05 centimeter each side has. So let's draw from here to here 0.05 centimeter. Okay, hope you understood. Next, find the viscosity of liquid, and force is equal to nu. Mass is equal to how much? Mass is 1 kg. How much downward force will act in this body? mg. Okay, force is, first let's write this one, nu a dv by dy. The force which is acting on the side part also is mg in the downward direction, which is equal to mg. What is the mass of the block here? 1 kg. So 10 is equal to nu, we don't know, nu area of the contact. How much is the area that is in contact with the liquid? See clearly. So a sliding fit cylindrical body. Cylindrical body, I am drawing the top view. Cylindrical body, it has a radius of, so diameter is equal to 14.9. After this, it is a layer. Actually, this is actual vision of actual view. 14.9, and from here to here it is equal to 15 centimeter. The area of liquid which is in touch, so the radius, how much is the radius from here to here? 7.45. okay, 7.45 into how much is the perimeter, area of the cylinder. So we can write it as spherical body, cylindrical body, I'm sorry, it's a cylindrical body. So we can write the area pi r square or 2 pi r into L as per the length is given. Okay, he is given 15 centimeter. So 2 pi r into L, area is equal to 2 pi r into L. Okay, 2 pi r is equal to 7.45. Length is given 15 centimeter. Sir, how length here is 15 centimeter? 15 centimeter. Okay, convert everything into meters. Centimeter square it will be, centimeter square into meters, 10 power minus 4 area is. Okay, let's write equations here. Mu into 2 pi into 7.45 into 15 into 10 power minus 4 into dy, dv by dy. dv is equal to 5 minus 0. So the force which is acting in the upward direction, this is viscous force, and the downward force is mg. Okay, 5 by 5 minus 0 by position, distance between these two 0.5 centimeter per second, and it is centimeter. Anyhow, this gets cancelled, centimeter, which is equal to mg is nothing but 10. So simplify this one to get the value of mu. Okay, a man is rowing a boat with a constant velocity v0 on the river. The contact area of boat is a. The coefficient of viscosity is nu. The depth of the river is d. Find the force required to row the boat. Say this is a man who is in a boat and the liquid of depth d, and at the depth here velocity is equal to 0. With how much velocity he is going? Velocity is going with the velocity v0. Because he is going in the forward direction, the viscous force will act in the backward direction Fv. To overcome the velocity viscous force, he has to apply some external force. Okay, if external is equal to, he is saying that acceleration a is equal to 0 because constant velocity. So F external is equal to F viscous is equal to nu a dv by dy. Nu, so he is asking coefficient of nu, a area is a, dv is v0 minus 0 by dy is capital D. That's all. This is the force is required. This much force is required. So instead of this, the some depth d, velocity of the liquid is v. Okay, v0 by 2. What will be the force required? Force required. Then I am changing the question. Understand? Na? In this case, external is equal to the force. External force is equal to viscous force or resistance, which is equal to nu a dv. dv is velocity v here, v0 minus v0 by 2 by, what is the distance? D. Okay, nu a v0 by 2d if the velocity is given as a half. So depending on the question, because here if it is depth d given, so it doesn't have any velocity lowest point, that's why we consider it as velocity 0.